Hello everyone and welcome back to PC Error Detective. In today's video, I'll show you how to print a map in Google Maps step by step. It's simple, easy, and anyone can do it. If you enjoy our helpful guides, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Step 1. Open Google Maps in your web browser and navigate to the exact location or map view you want to print. Take a moment to adjust the zoom level and orientation to ensure the map looks perfect for your needs. Step 2. On your keyboard, find the print screen key, often labeled as pure TSC or pure TSCN. It's usually located at the top right, just to the left of the delete key. This key will allow you to capture an image of whatever is displayed on your screen. Step 3. Next, click the Windows icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open the Start menu, where you can search for programs and tools. Step 4. In the Start menu, type Paint in the search bar and open the Paint application. It's a built-in program available on all Windows computers. Step 5. Once Paint is open, click the Paste button in the upper left corner of the window. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl-V on your keyboard. This will paste the screenshot you just captured into the Paint workspace. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video on how to print a map in Google Maps. If you found it helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with others. See you next time.